Hey, what's up, guys? It is about 7:30 in the morning. I'm out making my rounds for grocery shopping. So normally what I'll do is I'll get up early and I'll head down to where I'm at now is the local grocery store. It's about a town over. I really, really like them. They've actually given me permission to film in there. So one morning I'm gonna roll in here pretty much when they open and show you guys some of the stuff that I get from here. This is where I go for all my produce and my meats, protein. But great cuts, fresh stuff. Wasn't really worried about getting the cyclopsia, whatever stuff from their stuff because it's mostly local stuff. So I wasn't really worried about that. But yeah, so this morning I got up and needed to get gas, so I stopped at a little Walmart neighborhood market that's on the way here and got gas there. Even ran inside Walmart, grabbed a couple of things that I knew these guys wouldn't have, and Kroger's not going to have because I usually also do Kroger. So I'll do the local grocery store, and then I'll go hit Kroger to get kind of the filler stuff. The stuff in the aisles tends to be a little bit cheaper, right? But yeah, I just want to put a video up because I hadn't posted anything, I guess, on any socials in a little bit that's new. And I probably won't next week either. But I am dealing with a pinched nerve right now. My sciatic nerve is pinched. So sitting down and driving and everything right now sucks. Sitting down at work or sitting down to edit videos or anything sucks. Sitting to record a video sucks. Standing's not so bad. I stood at the desk at the office the other day when I had to go into the office and work, and standing wasn't bad. It wears on other stuff. My lower back and my legs were hurting me. By the end of the day, just tired from standing. So, it is what it is, I guess. The worst part, aside from probably the driving, is getting out of the car and transitioning from seated to standing. Pretty much anywhere, but especially out of the car because it's definitely a different angle. So usually I can get out of the car, give myself a minute or so, kind of stretch there, and I'm good. Sometimes what'll happen is I think I'm good, and then I'll get to my, I don't know, like third or fourth step, and then all of a sudden, pow, that pain will hit, going from my hip all the way down basically through my calf. And while I'm driving, that's where I feel it a lot, is in my calf and the hip. So I didn't want to put a video out to complain, but I did want to say that because of this, I have not been to the gym. And I don't think the gym caused this, but I'm sure it probably didn't help either. My hip is just tilted or whatnot. I've been seeing a chiropractor this week. He's been helping me out, getting me straight. I am starting to feel a little bit better to a degree. But yeah, the Saturday that I started feeling this 2 Saturdays ago was a gym day. Went to the gym, had an excellent workout. I've been moving around 23, 24, maybe 25,000 pounds on an upper body workout day. And I went over 30,000 pounds this past 2 Saturdays ago. So I was very proud of myself and very excited to see the progression. But that night I watched a movie with my wife. Back started bothering me. The next day, I was just struggling. So it has been a struggle for almost 2 weeks now. And it's gotten a little bit better seeing the chiropractor, but not a bunch better. Not very, very much. That said, I have still lost, I want to say, between these last 2 weeks combined, I think 4 pounds, like right at 4 pounds. So I'm still losing weight, which sounds great, and it is. I'm happy about that. But because I have not been able to go back to the gym because I don't want to make it flare up anymore or anything like that, I haven't been walking because walking is not necessarily fun either, and I don't want to do anything that might make it worse. And I don't know what I can and can't do yet. So I haven't done anything. I'm waiting to kind of see where I'm at with the chiropractor in the next week or so, and yeah, but losing 4 pounds is cool. But you got to know some of that's got to be muscle, right? Because I've done some stretching to try to help with the nerve, but I've done nothing in the way of lifting any kind of weights or any resistance training. I don't want to do any straining, because every time I cough or sneeze or whatever, I can feel it down there in the nerve. I can only imagine how it would feel if I'm moving some heavy weights. So, yeah, this hasn't been fun. But I just want to come on real quick, not complaining and, oh, poor pitiful me, but just to kind of put out there why I haven't put anything up lately. An update of, hey, how's it going, Chris? Hey, this is my story. This is what's up. And I guess to say, too, that, when you create the lifestyle changes to have a successful weight loss journey, even when something like this happens, you can still get on the scale and see it go down. Like I said, 4 pounds down in 2 weeks. That's an average of 2 pounds. 2 weeks ago, or last week, I guess, I lost the bulk of it. And this past week, I didn't lose quite as much, but I did lose. But still, that's an average of 2 pounds a week when I'm very immobile with my sciatic nerve. So yeah, I just want to say that while you're on the GLP-1, if you're on the GLP-1, it is a tool to help you on your weight loss journey. It does not do everything for you. You can allow it to do everything for you, and I wouldn't recommend it. But if you will put in the work and do the work yourself, make the changes that you need to make, your lifestyle changes, while on the medication, so it helps you, it makes it easier, that's very, very wise. That's something I always preach about and highly, highly recommend. Let it help you get where you need to be. Let it be a tool, but put in the work. Make the changes, not just the diet, but the entire lifestyle changes. And then when something like this happens, or when you get off the medication, you're good to go. Guys, that's it. Just want to check in with y'all. Hope y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all in the next one.